Success will not come until you set a right goal. You do not believe many of the people are not set their goal yet. Even they don't know what they want to become in their life. But you are watching this video, you do not worry because I will tell you a step by step process and a smart technique how to set right goal. As you know, without goal you will not get success in your life. So friends, hello, my name is Praveen and here I am with my new video, the Success Mantra Weekly Series, episode number 2. In this video, you will learn a step-by-step process how to set a right goal. Alright, so let's get into the today's topic. Here you will learn 3 steps of setting right goal. Step number 1, define your goal. Step number 2, categorization of your goal. And stage number 3, refine your goal, where you will learn a smart technique to refine your goal. Before moving further, let me clear one thing. If you are only watching my video, you will get better idea. But if you start writing, start noting down key points from this video, you will get better clarity. So now let's move into our first step. Step number 1, define your goal. To define your goal, write down everything. Write down every small thing which you want to achieve in your life. Whether it is promotion in your job, whether it is travel around the world with family in your favorite destination, how much you want to save and earn, and how much you want to invest in, let's say, next 3 months or next 1 year. Write down everything. No single stone unturned in this stage. I will tell you why. Because many of the people just believe that financial goal is the only goal to achieve in our life. No, my friends, there are other key areas too. That too, you need to pay attention. I will tell you here 8 key areas of life where I want you to set your goal. Alright, so let's deep into the key areas of life. So alright, first key area is career or business. If you are a businessman, then set a goal where you can see your business in next couple of years. If you are a working professional, then set a goal to get promotion in your job or get a better opportunity. Number 2 is finance. How much you want to earn, how much you want to save, and how much you want to invest. Plan in advance. Number 3, emotion. This is about your emotion, and it is also important for our life. So take care about your emotions as well. Number 4, social and relationship. You all are better understand that relationship is matter most in our life. Imagine if you have everything but you don't have people to celebrate it, how you will feel that time. So relationship and social impact is also important for our life. 5th is health. We all know that good health is very important for us, but still we are not giving that much time for our health. So let's set a goal that you will eat healthy, you will do exercise daily, which makes you healthy. Number 6 is self-development. This is something special for me because my whole new journey started from here only. You already know that no one taught us in our formal education that how to build our career, how to set a goal in our life, how to earn money. Even how to handle difficulties in our life? No one, right? So start investing your time for your self development and learn new thing on daily basis. Seventh is spiritual. Most of the people focusing on physical health and not focusing on mental health. As we know, to run a system, software is playing important role as good as hardware. Just like that, our mind is playing very vital role in our life. So do some mindfulness, some meditation to charge up you. All right, now I think you have got idea about key areas of life. Note down goal against each and every key area of life. With this, we reached our second step of setting a goal, which is categorization. In categorization, let's make it more clear by categorizing your goal in three categories. Category number one, you are working on. In this category, note down those goals which you are already working on but still not achieved, and it is important for your life. Note down those goals in this category. Category number two, want to be or you will get to. In this category, note down maximum 2 or 3 goals which is very important for your life and which needs more energy and massive action. Category number 3, back burner. In this category, you will note down long term goal. So now by this, you have got idea about what are you doing right now, what is your long term goal, what is your short term goal. So one thing I want to clear, it will not happen in day or two, and also it will not happen in a week. It will take time. So spend your time to set your goal, but remember, be specific while setting your goal. So with this, we reached at our last and third step, which is refine your goal. So let's understand how to refine the goals. After categorization, it's time to refine your goal, because I believe fewer goal you focus on, there will be a better chance to achieve it. So here is the SMART technique to refine your goal. Write down SMART, SMART. So let's deep dive into it. S stands for specific. Your goal should be very specific. For example, if you want job, then you know which industry you want to work on, what kind of job you want to do, even in which city you want to work. So be specific while setting your goal. M stands for measurable. Your goal should be able to measure, like what is required to achieve it, how much effort is required to achieve it, and how much action to require to achieve it. Everything should measurable. A stands for attainable. Think big, set bigger goal, but it should be realistic. R stands for relevant. Your goal should be relevant to you only, because this is your life and nobody else responsible for it. So set those goals which brings happiness in your life. T stands for timely. Give timeline yourself according to your goal, because if you will not achieve your goal on time, it will not make sense. And make sure you will not conflict your goals. So all right, I believe you understand how to set right goal. Do some exercise to get more clarity by asking yourself what is your motive behind it, why you want to achieve this goal, what is your motivation, what makes you happy in your life, and why these goals are important for your life. Remember one thing, do not influence by others, because this is your life and it should bring happiness in your life only. Remember one thing, the goals you are setting up, it should be in your control only. So all right, I have given you a step by step process to set a right goal. Give time to yourself, set a right goal. I request you to complete this task by end of this week, because next week in my next video I will tell you about how to achieve goal, how much effort is required, and what are the actions are required to make it happen. So all right, with this I am ending today's topic. Thank you for watching me. You are watching the Success Mantra weekly series episode number 2, where we learn how to set a right goal, implement this in your life and make it happen. Thank you once again. This is Praveen signing off. Bye bye. Take care.